passive entry and start system key, low battery operation. The passive entry and start system, or PESS key of your Isuzu D-MAX gives you an easy way to unlock and start your vehicle without having to touch the push button start. The PESS key also has smart features to ensure that you can still use the key even when it is out of battery. If your key battery is low, the car will alert you to replace the battery. However, you will still have access to all the key's features. When you turn off your D-MAX, you will be alerted by a sound and a low battery warning on the multi-information display. Even if your PESS key battery is completely flat, you can still get into your vehicle and start the engine. You can access the key located within the key fob casing and insert it into the driver's door. Once in your D-MAX, the multi-information display will ask you to bring the PESS key fob to the push button start. Next, simply push the brake and press the engine start button to start your D-MAX. Thank you for watching, and be sure to go your own way in the